How to compress PDF file size. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can compress PDF file size. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So here I have one PDF and its size is 157 KB. Now, in order to reduce your PDF file size, you have to open up a browser. You can open up any of your preferred browser. Head towards the search bar and there type in PDF file compressor and search for it. You will see multiple search results in your interface. You can head over to the first link on your search results. So once you land on this interface, here it says select PDF file. You have to click on it. Now from your device, you can select your PDF file. For example, I have this PDF right here, then click on open. Now if you navigate to your right hand side, there you have the compression level that you can choose from. If you want to go with extreme compression, that is less quality, high compression, or the recommended one, good quality, good compression, and the last one, high quality, less compression. So here it's better to choose the second option, that is recommended compression. After that, you have to click on compress PDF. So wait for a while. Once the file is ready, or once the compressed file is ready, you can download, or it will be downloaded automatically, and there you can see my file, or the size of my file is now reduced to 96.5 KB. So in this way, you can compress your PDF file size. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.